Look at this one. Look at these after cooking. Let's see. Because I'm outside the house now. You can see it's clean. That's after cooking a boil. That's it. You can eat with sugar. You just ow, it's hot. Because the record is now is almost 8 o'clock, so the color might be not exactly when we're recording. Look at this one. You dip in the sugar and egg. So today I show you another natural snack. You can try. It's normally 79 cents a pound, but sometimes only 59 cents. So you just dip in the sugar, eat. Once again, like I told you at the beginning, this just for a snack. Don't eat too much because this they have a lot of starch here, so it absorbs a lot. When you get in, you eat a lot, or when you and then you drink water because it's absorb a lot of water, and you drink water, it might be expand fast, so it's digest fast. It's no good. So just use as a snack. And for a kid, don't give them it too much. It's no good. I should just give them a little bit, or you can skip. Don't give this to them because they are kids. When they like, they eat it and they cannot control their belly, and it's too much. This is a lot of stock and there's so much, and it's no good. So I suggest you try a little bit first and see what happens. So don't forget subscribe to get more video when I publish new video, and I try to bring as many as a natural snack to all you see. And then you like it, you can try because this is not expensive. It's kind of okay. It's not expensive. The only thing you have to process by yourself. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.